guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am going to show you how I mix up my cleaning product. Now, I use this product all around my house for basically everything, and it has saved me not only money but room underneath my sink, and I have gotten rid of all of those other cleaner products. This stuff works on your shiny silver in your house, like your faucets and things like that, and make them shine and everything. It cleans your sinks, cleans your toilets, it cleans everything. So I am going to show you how I mix mine up. Now, basically, because I know how to mix it up, I don't really need to, measure anything out. But for you newcomers, welcome. I am going to show you how I mix up my cleaning product that works on everything. Now, what you're going to need is some cleaning vinegar. I get this from the Dollar Tree, and as you see, it's cleaning vinegar. And then I use Dawn, because Dawn cuts the grease. So I use Dawn and cleaning vinegar. These are the two things you're going to need. Now, depending on what you're cleaning or whatever, you can add water if you want. For today's video, I'm going to add water. So I always keep like an empty container of like one of my big bottles of whatever I'm, using. Maybe a big bottle from this or whatever. But you just keep your spray bottle and a squirt bottle. That's what I have for the different, things that I may want to spray, or just may want to, squirt around and clean my towels and everything. Also, guys, this works so well on scum. If you got like glass, a shower, glass in your shower, you squirt this, let it sit just for a minute or two. You come back, that scum is going to come up. Okay, let me angle you down so you can see. Okay, so we have our bottle here. And the next thing we are going to do, let's just say we're going to take, I will say, 2 cups of vinegar, cleaning vinegar. So let's just, so far, that's 1 cup. Let's go up to 2 cups. Okay, I got my 2 cups of cleaning vinegar. We're gonna put this funnel in there. Let's make it where y'all guys can see. And we're just gonna pour that into here. Okay. Just for, I'll do a half a cup of water. And guys, I believe this is why it works so well, because you can determine how much water you want to put in here. So now the bubbles are up to there. I'm gonna let those bubbles subside a little bit, and then I'm gonna put in my Dawn. All right, the bubbles have subsided. I don't need the funnel anymore. And I'm just gonna eyeball. I'm just going to eyeball how much Dawn I want to put in there. And ironically, guys, you don't need a lot. Now, if you're a bubble freak, you can put a lot in there. But really, I don't put a lot in there. I just look for a certain color. Put that in there. You don't want to be wiping up suds all day. And then I just fill up the rest with cleaner vinegar. So now I'm going to do the same thing with my spray bottle. Let's see. I'm going to do the same thing with my spray bottle, guys. I'm going to twist this top on. And I'm telling you, this has saved so much money in the house. It cleans so well, and it makes everything so sparkly. So now I am going to do my spray bottle. When I make up my mixtures, I just basically go in the laundry room, in the bathrooms, get the bottles that's sitting around. And I'm not going to put water in that. And I just fill up all the bottles that I use in different rooms. and it sits there. Every room has its own bottle. And I'm loving the room. All right, now I'm gonna show you underneath my sink. Before, I used to have cleaning products all in here. Now, only thing I have is like Windex and my Dawn and the bottle of cleanser that I just made, the cleaning vinegar, and I have my little, sponges. But before, it was every little product to clean every area and different products for each room. I don't do that anymore. Over here, it's just, like Brillo pads and things of that nature, and, the baking soda for the refrigerator and things of that nature. But other than that, I have saved so much money just using my concoction, and it cleans very well. So when I wash my dishes and everything, and I'm done washing my dishes, just take the spray bottle, and I just spray it all around. A lot of times I just clean it off, or I can just let it sit. I don't need to, but I move on to something else. But then that will clean that so perfect. So guys, I got this little brush from the Dollar Tree, and you can screw this off and fill your cleaner in there if you would like. And I'll just scrub around. If you feel the need to. And it just keeps everything nice and shiny and clean. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I know y'all see that. And it shines like that every time. That's why I don't need to buy extra cleaners. And that does the job for everything. Well, guys, I hope you have hit that like button. I hope you come back and visit me. And this is my favorite #1 cleaning product that I use. If you try this, let me know how it works out for you in the comments down below. Just that quick. I have me 2 squirt bottles, one for the laundry room, one for the kitchen, and one for the bathroom. All right, guys, well, that is it. That's how I make my cleaning product for my bathroom, my kitchen, my laundry room. And I'm telling you, it saves a lot of money and it cleans very, very well. Well, guys, I appreciate you coming back here and spending time with me and everything. I'm going to tell you what works and I'm going to tell you what don't work, and we're going to save money together. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Come on back and visit me, like this video, and I will talk to you later. Mwah!